Assalamualaikum. This is Ms. Nusrat Fatma. I am here to teach you about the types of crop. But before starting our lecture, let's have a brief recall of what we have learned in our previous class. We have learned about agriculture and the importance of agriculture. Today we are going to discuss about the types of crops that are grown in Pakistan. Let's start our lecture. Objectives. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to define crops, explain the type of crops, differentiate between cash crops and food crops, rabi crops and kharif crops. What is crops? Before starting the types of crops, let's discuss what is crops. Do you know what is crops? Can you name some crops of Pakistan like rice, wheat, cotton? Write down the names of the crops in your copy. What is crops? Crops is when the same plants are grown in large area, or the same plant are cultivated in the large area, is known as crops. As you can see from this picture, a cultivated plant that is grown on a large scale commercially, especially a cereal, fruit or vegetable, they are known as crops. Types of crops. There are two crop seasons in Pakistan. One is Kharif season and the other is Rabi season. So the crops which are grown in Kharif season, the crops which are grown in Rabi season are known as Rabi crops, and the crops which are grown in Kharif season are known as Kharif crops. What are Kharif crops? This is the first sowing season of Pakistan. Kharif crops are grown in summer season. It is sown between April to June. It is harvested between October and December. Rice, sugarcane, cotton, maize, moong, mash, bajra and jawar are Kharif crops. They are grown in summer season. What are Rabi crops? Rabi crops are grown in winter season. It is the second sowing crop of Pakistan. It is sown between October till December. It is harvested between April and May. Wheat, gram, lentil, tobacco, rapeseeds, barley and mustards are Rabi crops, as you can see here. Cash crops and food crops are the types of crops. So let's discuss what are cash crops and what are food crops. Food crops. From the word food, we can identify the crops that are used or for fooding is known as food crop, or we can say the crops that we eat is known as food crops, like wheat, rice. And cash crops. Cash crops are those crops that we sell and get money, like cotton, animals. Types of crops. Cash crop. A cash crop is an agricultural crop which is grown for sale to return a profit, and food crop is an agricultural crop which is grown for human consumption. Let's discuss the names of the food crops that are grown, food crops and cash crops that are grown in Pakistan. The cash crops, as I told you the definition of cash crop, the crops that we sell and get money. So the cash crops of Pakistan are cotton, sugarcane, tobacco, oil seeds. These cash crops are very useful for us. We use it for many purposes, like from cotton we can make from cotton we can make clothes and other things, like from sugarcane we can make sugar. So these are very important and they are very important for export. Food crops. The food crops of Pakistan are wheat. We know that wheat is very useful for us. We use wheat for many purposes, like for making flour, for making halim and for our cooking purposes. Beside this, we use wheat for gum as well. Rice. Rice is the most favorite crop in all over the world, and the rice of Pakistan is very famous in all over the world, and all of the people like to eat rice. Maize. The another name of maize is corn, and we use corn for many purposes, like we use corn for making cooking oil as well. Grams. Grams are also the cash crop of Pakistan that is used, oh sorry, food crop of Pakistan that is used for eating, and all of us like grams. So that's enough for today. I hope you get all the points. What is the difference between cash crop and food crop? What is the difference between kharif crops and rabi crops? What the names of the cash crops and food crops grown in Pakistan? So let's discuss and brief recall what we have learned today. We have learned about crops, types of crops, difference between rabi crops and kharif crops. That's all for today. Thank you. Till then, Allah Hafiz.